Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn on pop-up notification on WhatsApp. Friends, pop-up notifications are very useful if you want to give reply to WhatsApp messages immediately. So in WhatsApp, press on these three dots on the right side corner of the screen. Now here press on settings. In settings, press on notifications. In notifications, you will find option of pop-up notifications, which is by default set on no pop-ups. Now here you will find four options. I will select always show pop-up. Now friends, as you can see, I have allowed pop-up notifications for WhatsApp messages. Now like this, if you want, you can turn on pop-up notifications for group messages also. Under group, you will find option of pop-up notification. So from here you can allow pop-up notifications for WhatsApp group messages. I will select always show pop-up. Now friends, as you can see, I have allowed pop-up notifications for WhatsApp group messages as well as for WhatsApp chat messages which I used to get directly from my friends. So friends, like this you can very easily activate pop-up notifications in WhatsApp. Now I will show you how pop-up notifications will look like. Now friends, as you can see, I have received a pop-up notification when I received a WhatsApp message, and I can reply to this message directly from here. So friends, like this you can very easily use pop-up notifications for WhatsApp, and if you receive lot of messages in your WhatsApp group, then you can avoid activating pop-up notifications for group messages. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.